What's up, Wise Flyers? David here, gonna do an unboxing of the SoFi Money Account. So this is my wife's account. I did a video on this back in October. Some terms have changed, so I'll give a review of this, as well as exactly how I'm using the account. Let's start by unboxing. So this is the envelope it comes in. Let's open this up together and both be surprised. All right, so let's face this part down. Hide that sensitive info. This is how it comes, really simple actually, one piece of paper with the card. I actually thought it was gonna have more about the benefits, but I'll just share the benefits with you. So this card comes with a 1.6 APY, and this is actually probably one of the nicest looking cards, better than credit cards and everything. So this stands for Christine Streisand, as mentioned, it's my wife's card. No numbers on the front, which is pretty easy to use and looks pretty nice. I love the colors, I love the shininess. The side of it, I really like when cards have a certain color. This way, if you have multiple cards in your wallet, you could just pick out the right card. Back in October, when I did a video about this card, the APY was 1.8%. So now it is 1.6%. So APY stands for annual percentage yield, which means how much money, how much interest you're gonna make from the bank just for having your money in their account. One of the great things about this card though, is that there's zero minimums. You don't have to have a certain amount of money in the account. There's no fees attached to the account, and there's zero foreign transaction fees, as well as probably the best feature, zero ATM fees. So if you wanna take out any money with this card worldwide, no matter how much the ATM fee costs, you'll get reimbursed, which makes it a great competitor for the Charles Schwab card, which is what I've been using. But personally, I don't plan on using the card for that. So I haven't put any money in the account except for the $100 that I initially did for the referral bonus. So back in October, they had a great referral bonus, which was you put in $100 in your account, you get $50, and for each referral, it was $100. So I initially said I wanted to get 10,000 referrals. I didn't hit that mark, but I actually got a few dozen. So I'm actually gonna use the money that I earned. I'm gonna pretend like I never had it. I'm just gonna buy some stocks with SoFi through the SoFi account. I heard that BAC-C, so the Bank of America Preferred, one person was telling me that that's a really good stock, but if you have any stock tips, let me know in the comments below. I'm actually really new to the whole stock game, but I just want to pretend like I don't even have the money and just invest it. So at the time of filming this video, the APY for this card is gonna be 1.6% as opposed to 1.8% when it started. And the referral bonus is gonna be $25. So if you plan on getting this card, you could use the link down in the description below and you'll get $25 pretty much free for opening an account and putting $100 in. Not as good as the $100 which was initially offered, which is easily by far the best deal of 2019, but you know, $25 is still money in the bank. They also added another cool feature with this card. So up until February of 2020, they're gonna offer 20% back on Lyft purchases when using this card. And you know, if you use Lyft and use this card, you could get up to $1,000 cash back. So let me know in the comments below if you've got this card, plan on getting this card, any plans with this card. I would love to hear it. And if you wanna watch more unboxing videos of credit cards, you could click this link over here or this one down here, and I'll see you in the next video.